Ndewo ndị ọma m o, aha m bụ Chika, abụ m onye nkụzi Igbo. Hello my good people, my name is Chika and I am an Igbo tutor. Welcome to today's video, and in today's video we'll be counting from 1 to 10 in the Igbo language. Yes, you heard me. We'll be counting our numbers from 1 to 10 in the Igbo language. First of all, I want to say thank you, and if you find this helpful, please subscribe and give me a like. All right, let's dive right into it. We're starting with 1, O2, O2, 2, Abo, Abo, 3, Ato, Ato, 4, Ano, Ano, 5, Ise, Ise, 6, Ishi, Ishi, 7, Asa, Asa, 8, Asato, Asato, 9, Itolu, Itolu, 10, Iri, Iri. And that will be all for today. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give me a like. Thank you and bye. See you in my next video. Bye bye.